Hi, everyone! Welcome to BOGONG's channel. Now I will introduce a new type of welding machine to you. Let's see what the difference is with the old model. Below are photos of our welding machines, old and new models. It is obvious that the two machines are very different in appearance design. The biggest change is the difference in the display and buttons. This makes the new model more beautiful and distinctive, making it easier for us to stand out from the competition. Next is the B machine. There are not many changes between the old and new models. The main difference is that the upper guardrail has changed from a small stick to a square guardrail, which is more sturdy and beautiful. The new model has the same functionality as the old one, just the casing is different. Still has the same welding, cutting, and cleaning functions. The gun head is still the one that can control wire feeding and wire retraction, and these three functions can only be realized by replacing accessories as before. What? Not sure? It doesn't matter. We have posted a disassembly and assembly video before. You can check it out by yourself.